Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel. This is Shivani Creations. My today's video is about how to make this very beautiful and cute bird mom and bird kids Mother's Day special quilling greeting card. So I will show you how to make these beautiful flower and also the painted background. Isn't it beautiful? So let's get started. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, scissor, quilling tool, 4-number round brush, purple and white 200 GSM thick cardstock, green and brown poster colors, and yellow, blue, purple and orange acrylic colors. First I have printed these tiny birds on my thick white cardstock and I am coloring this using some acrylic colors. If you want these templates of birds, I have given the link in description box. You can download from there. So I am using here yellow, orange and blue acrylic colors to color those birds. In the same way, I will color the mama bird also using some yellow, orange, red, blue and purple acrylic colors. Now I am taking this white cardstock piece which measures 18 by 15 centimeter and I have created some pencil background of the tree, nest and grass. So here I am coloring the background using some poster colors. Here I am using only two colors, that is green and brown. So first applied little water and then applying some green color to the background. For the lower part of the scenery, I am coloring little darker green. So I am taking thick color. Now I am coloring the tree using some brown color and also I will color the nest using some yellow ochre shade. If you don't have poster colors, you can also use crayons or pencil colors. I have colored whole background with little darker shade and now I am giving some more shades on nest. So the drawing is done. Let it dry for some time. Now I am taking this bird and I will fill quilling on this. So I am taking 1/6 strip of yellow color and making one loose coil. Just add glue and bend it coil like this. In the same way I have created one more bended coil. So I will connect the beak of the bird. Like this. Now for the body, I am taking one strip of orange and first make a loose coil and then again make a bended leaf shape. Like this. In the similar way, I have created some bended leaves using white, light blue and dark blue shades. So I will fill this tiny bird's body by adding these bended leaves shapes. I have created two small parts using half strip of light blue, and I have created here bended leaf and one teardrop shape. So fill this face area with these small shapes. And now I am connecting this eye, which is made using 1/4 strip of black color. I have created two eyes, but I thought one eye will look more nice. Now I am taking some white acrylic color and making one dot on bird's eye like this. Now I will cut this bird from border using my scissor. Like this. So it's done. In the same way, I have cut the other bird and created with the same process. Now I will fill quilling in this mama bird. For this I am taking my comb and taking one red color strip. Insert in the center by leaving 2 line gap. Just fold it and secure with glue. And now just increase the level from top and bottom till the end of the strip. Secure the end. Now I am adding one maroon color with this and making 2 more rounds. Now take out this pattern from the comb and secure the end, and now just pinch this whole pattern like this. So I will connect this on the bottom part of the bird. In the similar way, I have created one with orange. So just add glue and connect this. For the face of the bird, I have created same bended loop like we did for small birds, and for this I have used red, peach and maroon shades. So filling the face, and now filling this purple area the same pattern as this using purple strip. And for this small area, I am using half strip of purple. First make a loose coil, add glue and just bend this like this. So filling this area with these small bended petals. Like this. Now I will decorate the tail. For this I have created the same comb petals using red, orange and yellow strips. and also I am adding 2 small red teardrops which is made using half strip of red. So tail is ready. Now I am taking white color strip and making loops. Here I am making total 5 loops. Each time I am increasing the size of the loop. Cut the excess strip, add little glue, and now I will connect light blue color strip with this. And now I am making 3 more loops. Cut this excess strip, add little glue, and now I am connecting dark blue strip with this, and I am making total 5 loops using this dark blue strip. So this is done. In the same way I have created 4 more loop petals. So I am connecting this area with these petals. For the other wing also I have created some small loop petals. So the bird is ready. I have added the eye and beak just like we added for the small birds. Now I am cutting this bird from the border using my scissor. So it's done. Isn't it beautiful? Now I'm taking this purple card base which measures 30 by 19 centimeter. I have folded this in half, and now I'll connect this painted front panel with this card base. So just add glue on this and connect with the card base. Now I will connect both the small birds and mama bird on this card. I have added one double layer of double-sided tape for the other bird so that I can overlap this. And now I will connect the mama bird. Now I will show you how to make these flowers. For this I am taking half strip of purple and making one teardrop shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeter. Like this. In the same way I have created 3 more petals. So I am joining all the 4 petals to construct the flower. Like this. For the center of the flower I am using this yellow circle which is made using hole punch. You can also add half cut pearls. In the similar way I have created some flowers using purple and pink combinations. Now I am making leaf. For this I am using half strip of light green color and making one bended leaf shape like this. In the similar way I have created some more leaves. Now I am making some nest threads. For this I am using 1/4 strip of light brown and half strip of dark brown and making leaf shape like this. The same way I have created some more threads, so I am adding randomly so that it will look more real. Now I am attaching the flowers randomly on the branch of the tree. And also I will add some leaves. In the same way, I will connect the flowers on top portion. So after adding all the flowers and leaves, it will look like this. I have added some more leaves around the nest using yellow strip. Now I am adding this love you mom sentiment on this card. This is a handwritten sentiment. Like this. So the beautiful Mother's Day special card is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.